HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, traffic's on a 1.5 mile final for runway 32, wind is 360 at 5, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, runway 1, cleared for takeoff. We are taking off.
Number 7 Mike Alpha, traffic is departing runway 1, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land 32, 587 Mike Alpha.
Acres 10, runway 32, clear touch and go, number 2.
Clear, touch and go, that's done.
Number 2, Alpha Victor, traffic may be in position.
Traffic may be in position,
and then re-rotate, 2 good engines.
2 Alpha Victor, reduce your speed a little if you can.
Reducing speed, 2 Alpha Victor.
You're coming up. CT, and flaps coming up. Very nice.
HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, contact
speed target.
Over to New York, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you. Heading. Autopilot. Low power. Some power.
Northeastern 232, turn left heading 090.
090, Northeastern 232.
Speed target.
New York, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 2300 for 3000.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 1000, and how far up did you need to climb today?
We'll take 20,000.
0 Delta Charlie, roger. For now, flighting 050, maintain 1000.
1000, 050 on the heading, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Speed target.
Northeastern 232, descend and maintain 4000.
4000, Northeastern 232.
November 0 Delta Charlie, contact departure 11817. Good day.
118-170 Delta Charlie, good day. 7. Alright, we're good. Got a good climb going. Hello, New York, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 6,600 feet for 11,000.
430 Delta Charlie, New York direct, Merritt, climb 17,000.
Direct Merritt, 17,000, 0 Delta Charlie.
New York departure, good evening, Linda, 4400, 10,000 on heading 320.
Number 4400, New York direct, Neon, climb 16,000.
So we're going to go visual flight rules towards New York.
4400.
0 Delta Charlie, contact New York 120.4. Let them know what you're doing. If you want anything else, you can just ask them.
20.4, 0 Delta Charlie. We appreciate your help. Thank you.
No problem.
JetBlue 371, contact New York 120.85.
2085, JetBlue 371, good day.
Hello, New York, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, descending out of 16,000 for 11,005 VFR.
0 Delta Charlie, altimeter 3060.
3060, and just to brief you, I'm going to go to Lindy and then do a 180 and come back east. I'd like to go over Manhattan at 9,500 feet if that works.
0 Delta Charlie, that works. 0 Delta Charlie, what are you going to do after Manhattan?
Proceed out east towards Farmingdale. That's our home. We may land there, or we may go a little further east.
0 Delta Charlie, roger. HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, traffic 12 o'clock and about 7 miles southwestbound, leaving 10,000 right now with 73.
Picking him up, TCAS. Thanks for the heads up, 0 Delta Charlie. He's climbing above me. Thank you. And 0 Delta Charlie coming into 9,500 feet. When we clear that traffic, which I think we are, would it be possible to get a heading of about 160 or 170?
Yep, 0 Delta Charlie, you can proceed on course.
170 on the heading, 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you. And for 0 Delta Charlie, I'd like to pick up a heading of 190.
0 Delta Charlie, approved.
Thank you.
113 Golf, stand by.
Stand by.
Hello, New York, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 9,500 feet on a heading of 090.
113, Golf flighting 110, and try again on 125.7.
110, we'll try again on 125.7, 113 Golf.
November 430 Delta Charlie, near Circuit Kennedy Alpha 3061, remain outside the Bravo for now.
Outside the Bravo 30610 Delta Charlie, thank you.
0 Delta Charlie, you're cleared into the Bravo, flight person heading maintain 5,500.
5,500 into the Bravo, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you.
New York, Sierra Slider 30 Delta Golf 4000.
Sierra Slider 30 Delta Golf, New York, departure to the Republic Alpha 3060.
60 Delta Golf.
And say again?
For 0 Delta Charlie, can you work us in for the GPS 32 approach into Farmingdale?
Stand by. Zero Delta Charlie, contact approach 125.7, they'll work you in.
2570 Delta Charlie, do appreciate your help today, thanks.
HondaJet 352, turn left heading 200.
Another HondaJet.
Left 200.
Down the speed here. Hello, New York. HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 3,700 feet for 3,500 feet, and requesting the GPS 32 approach into Farmdale. 328 is the minimum altitude. Of course, it's a VFR kind of day, but so we've set up our approach. We're going to go ahead and load that. She's going to bring us in around Justin, probably vectors, and then Tracy. And this is just for practice. We'll go ahead and load that. That's now loaded in the system.
Good evening, Eric. Hawker 221 Papa Bravo 4000.
This is
heading
one busy area.
210 spawn to 210.
Welcome to New York.
We do have Oscar.
21 Papa Bravo,
Oh, this is all the planes around us.
Visual 32 1 Papa Bravo.
That's just showing just the traffic. All right, we're descending to 2,500 feet. Go through some more checklists, but we're...
The 153 Heavy, just expect the right side, ILS 31 might approach tonight.
Okay, thanks. You still need 1 Papa Bravo 4000? Can we just...
1 Papa Bravo, you're going to send to 3,000 now.
3,000, 1 Papa Bravo.
Avionics.
0 Delta Charlie, turn left heading 090.
090 Delta Charlie. Things looking good. The next thing up is flaps.
And 430 Delta Charlie, you can turn left direct to Alfred, maintain 2,000, full established, clear for the GPS from 832.
Left direct Alfred, 0 Delta Charlie, and you said clear
Vertical
for the approach.
track.
1 Papa Bravo, submit heading 270.
Right heading 270, 1 Papa Bravo.
The 153 Heavy, maintain 4,000 and speed 210.
Tenant down to 4 Delta 153 Heavy.
153 Heavy, contact final 132.4.
Flaps are out of the way.
Your approach, Sky 35148 with you, 500.
That's 3.
Tower standing by.
35148, Kennedy Altimeter 3061. Papa Bravo traffic to heavy Airbus, moving to your 12 o'clock, 4 miles southwest on about to level 4.
Landing gear coming down. In transit.
And 1 Papa Bravo, we have the traffic in sight, field in sight.
1 Papa Bravo, Roger, low shortly. There's
Landing gear's
VFR
down and
just off
locked.
your right there, 2,400. Looks like nice Skyhawk.
Kick off the autopilot. And fly the approach for practice.
Yep, turn cross for Nickerson.
Vertical track.
That's not your flaps. Hello, Republic Tower, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 2,200 feet inbound on the GPS 32 approach just outside of Alfred.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, Republic Tower, continue the approach runway 32. Traffic will be in position.
Continue the approach, 0 Delta Charlie, right to the traffic.
Gonna cruise that.
Check you 2 for
Speed
Romeo
brake
Delta
is
360,
retracted.
continue descending and I'll call you base.
Just lower our airspeed, so we're going to hand fly this approach for a little practice.
Okay, so I follow any cruise that.
Thank you, Chris 10.
Tower, Hawker 221 Papa Bravo, visual 32.
Hawker 221 Papa Bravo, Republic Tower, continue. Traffic will be in position.
Continue altitude at discretion.
Yes, altitude your discretion, 1 Papa Bravo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, gears down, full flaps. Let's go lower our speed. See what the traffic is.
ExecJet 368, runway 32, line to wait, be ready, traffic HondaJet, 3 mile final.
Runway 32, line of way, ExecJet 368.
Got traffic taking
Cherokee
the runway.
412, you have Alpha 5?
So we're prepared to go around if we
412,
need.
thank you. Left at Alpha 5 and contact ground.
Alpha 5, contact ground 412.
Nailing the approach, as you can see here. I'm hand flying this. Everything is perfect.
Republic Tower, Cessna 757 Alpha Delta.
ExecJet 368 without delay, Windows 280 at 3, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Runway 32, clear for takeoff, ExecJet 368.
HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, citations on the roll, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land. See the citation, 0 Delta Charlie.
Cessna 757 Alpha Delta, Republic Tower.
Yes, ma'am. Oscar Captree 2000, touch and goes, please.
7 Alpha Delta, touch and goes are on request. Report to Belmont Lake, please.
Will go, 757 Alpha Delta.
24 Romeo traffic, so Hawker 1 mile south of the shoreline. You're forward left in about 2.5 miles.
Traffic is 24 Romeo will follow.
Thank you, 24 Romeo, and caution awake.
Tower 3012 Victor, Bravo 6 ready for takeoff, left arm.
302 Alpha Victor, Republic Tower, hold short, runway 32.
Right on glide
I'm
slope.
runway
That's the
1,
glide slope.
302
Right on
Victor, hold
the
short.
2 Alpha Victor, thank you, hold short,
azimuth
runway
here.
1.
Right on.
Minimums.
speed.
Minimums.
That's the minimum call out. Everything is perfect. There's runway 32 right ahead of us.
ExecJet 368, contact
Little bit
departure,
power,
stay
a
flight.
little bit up. A little bit up.
Departure today,
Just a hair. Okay. Gears down, gears down. Good. Looking really good.
1 Papa Bravo, we clear to land.
50, 40,
Yes, sir, traffic will be in
30.
position, A Bonanza.
20, 10.
Bonanza 45 Whiskey, runway 32, line to wait, be ready, traffic to Hawker, 3 mile final.
Okay, line up
That
and wait,
is a
32,
good
45
landing.
Whiskey.
100 0 Delta Charlie, safe parking.
4,000.
Atlantic.
0 Delta Charlie, left on Bravo, please, and contact ground.
Left on Bravo. Contact ground. 0 Delta Charlie.